Good day, everyone. I'm here with Eric Chung to talk about how Sun Life used Workday Extend. My name is Larry Carvalho with RobustCloud, and I'm going to start with giving Eric a brief minute to introduce himself.
Hi, my name is Eric Chung. I'm the Director of HR Systems, Strategy, and Architecture at Sun Life. I look after the ecosystem of technologies within Sun Life, and I also lead our Extend team.
Thanks, Eric. Okay, let's kick off some questions about what you're doing with Workday Extend. What are the business challenges faced by Sun Life?
Well, I think we have a lot of processes that are currently kind of in the phase of, paper-based, and then we're trying to move it into digital. And so I think with Extend, we're able to solve some of those, or accelerate rather, some of those transitions into a digital medium.
Okay.
One example would be like our return to office applications, and also a host of other programs for sabbatical, performance management, and any education assistance requests as well.
Great. So if you can just say, why did Sun Life use Workday Extend? I'm sure there are many other options available. What drove you to use Workday Extend?
Well, I think one of the key things is that, our company we've been using Workday for the last 11 or 12 years. And so it provides a very familiar interface with our users. And we know that it's, common data. It has a great security model that we know and we know how to interact with. And our applications that we built with this, it's contained within Workday, but it's also global as well. So we can also have it accommodate additional regional customizations as well.
Great. So after you used it and you created all these customizations, digitized, can you explain a little bit about what was the business value you gained out of these applications? Where did it contribute to the bottom line of Sun Life after you implemented all these applications?
Yeah, well, I think one of the key things is that, these applications we were able to build much faster and have it roll out much quicker as well because the platform is already there with Workday. I think in addition to that, we're able to experiment and test and learn these solutions so that we can deliver better employee experiences. And anything that we build, we found that we could reuse them and also reduce the risk, as we know that this works on the same platform. It's using the same type of development tools and coding. So yeah, those are the things that we've gained from it.
Yep. When we had talked before, we had talked a little bit about how your organization changed, the application development organization changed on using Workday Extend. Can you talk a little bit more about how are there any organizational changes that happened?
Yeah, well, I think with this team, we actually sit within HR and we're not actually within the IT organization. And so with Extend, we're actually able to create developers from our configurators and from our analysts that usually work with Workday.
Yep.
Because Extend is more of a scripting language. And so you're able to kind of pick up on those things and learn, you can place this widget here, you can get this type of logic here. I mean, experience with development and the whole software development lifecycle is important. I think equally important is the ability to understand how Workday works and the flow of how a typical form or a typical experience is within Workday.
Great, Eric. Thank you for your time. I would suggest that for those who have heard this Sun Life story, look at the link that we have following this, and we will be having similar write-ups and recordings in the future. Again, Eric, thank you for your time.
Thanks for having me.